Here is the Centurion burglar alarm from the 1970s by USEC. It is currently on. You can see the surveillance light flashing. We have sensitivity mode here, duration of the siren. You arm it by turning it to night mode. And it already activated here. Not the most effective burglar alarm. Let's turn the sensitivity down and arm it again and see if we can not trip it immediately. All right, now the armed light should come on slowly right here. Wait for that to turn on. Now it's armed. Now a sudden jolt should activate it. We're going to turn on the siren. Okay, now the siren is on. So now when it's activated, the siren and the flashing light will turn on. I'm gonna give it a whack here and see what happens. Very loud. Can't do that anymore. My neighbors are going to start to complain.